Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoom to trigger AI meeting follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Zoom application on your device. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Integration tab on the left sidebar. Click on Integration to open the available integration options. Find the section titled AI Meeting Follow-ups. Click on the Authorize button next to this section. You will be redirected to a new page asking for authorization. Review the permissions required for Zoom to access your AI tools. If you agree, click on the Allow button to grant permissions. After authorization, you'll return to the Zoom settings page. Confirm that the AI meeting follow-ups section now shows as connected. Next, set your preferences for meeting follow-ups under the settings. Choose the AI tools you wish to connect for follow-up actions. Save your preferences by clicking the Save button at the bottom. To test the integration, schedule a meeting to see if AI follow-ups are triggered. Once the meeting concludes, check your connected AI tool for follow-up notifications. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the AI-generated follow-ups appear. Your Zoom setup for AI meeting follow-ups is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.